Alright, so I need this out of here, so I'm gonna try to do a quick video of in the back of the car disassembly, because I need to get it out. That stuff I have on it, at least it'll be a little bit easier to get out. Timing cover's in the way. Alright. That'll be a slight problem, but whatever. Why the fuck would they mount it like this? We'll just have to disregard that for right now. And in theory, it should just pop off. Reminds me, I don't even know if there's any oil in it. Yeah, of course there's still oil in it. Oh, man. Maybe I shouldn't take this all out yet, if that's the case. Not like it wants to move anyway. Alright, well, let's see about taking some of this back stuff off then. I'm gonna need an extension, and I think I just took them off. Fuck it. They look like 10 mils. And you get you off first. You look like your screws. About throttle body. Surprisingly a success. Okay, fuel rail. What if I took from here? Would that do anything? It's just gonna fucking strip. Fuck it. I can make a new line. Alright, now with all this shit that's already destroyed mostly and part way tore apart, maybe I'll actually be able to get the fucking thing out. Hopefully I didn't lose most of the stuff. But yeah, that means about 90% of what I've done on that Del Sol is now worthless because of this. And the fact that I might be getting rid of it soon. Who knows? Well, that was speed trunk disassembly for the most part. I didn't get very much done, but you know.